a good bit of space you got. Like, you really fit a lot in here.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Oh, can I get in?
Yeah.
Oh, you could did some work on the doors?
Yeah, I did a little bit.
A lot.
I'm gonna put that coupe out the way.
I like this, dude. Have you done any tuning testing on the port at all?
Yeah, I fixed my port a little bit.
Yeah.
And I think I can play a little more.
Little lows. Did you open it up or close it in more?
I just make it deeper.
Make it a little, okay, so port length extension. Yes, sir. Wow. Yeah. You were having an issue with one of the subs, I remember. At the Sundown show, I think it was. So is this 8 of them?
Yeah.
ZV5s. How much power?
I got 47500, but I come in like 6K.
6K each. So did you meter it? What's the most you got out of it?
57, 48, 28 hertz.
Really? Awesome. Okay. Ooh. Hair tricks?
A little bit.
Little bit? You want to try hair trick this? Alright. Something with a little lows, yeah.
My neighbors. It's DJ Ruckus. What you got? Oh, that's it right there. Okay. You. What you got? Oh, you. Big head on Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Ain't nowhere to rain. Gucci gang. Gucci gang. Cocaine. Take meds. Line for your company. Gang. Ain't nowhere to rain. Hey, Gucci gang. Hey, Gucci gang. Cocaine. Hey, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang. You big head. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Ain't nowhere to rain. Gucci gang. Gucci gang. take meds. Flying for your company. Yeah. Ain't nowhere to rain. Gang, Gucci gang. Gang, Gucci gang. Cocaine. Oh man, hey. Hey, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci.
Man, dude. Ooh, you got a lot of playroom. Ooh. Yeah, dude. Whoa. Have fun today? Yeah, some crazy demos. A lot of people, man. A lot of people. Yeah. This is a great show. Have you been here before, Ruckus?
Yeah, this is my third year.
Third year, okay. Awesome. Can I see the amps real quick? Sure.
Show you that you lame. I'ma stack the E's at my place.
Team Hurts Feelings.
Yes.
All right. Man. And y'all built all of this.
Yeah.
Good work.
Good stuff.
Okay. Awesome. That's a good bit of space you got. Like, you really fit a lot in here. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you, man. Ruben?
Yeah,
Ruben. All right, man. You have a good night. You gonna be here tomorrow? Cool. Awesome. All right.
Yeah, still slanging dope in the chest. I'll take meds. Flying for your company. Gucci gang. Cocaine. Oh man, hey, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.